Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm so excited to have you here with me today, and I hope you're ready to dive into the world of makeup together. Whether you're a total beginner or just looking for some fresh tips, this tutorial is for you. If you've ever stood in front of your mirror, feeling a little lost or overwhelmed by all those products and brushes, don't worry, you're definitely not alone. We all start somewhere, and today, I've got you covered with a super easy routine. I'm breaking down girls' makeup into super simple steps, so you can glow up in no time. We'll go through each part together, and I'll share my favorite tricks to make everything easier. And don't forget, this is all about having fun and expressing yourself. No pressure to be perfect. Makeup is a way to show your personality, boost your confidence, and just enjoy the process. First things first, start with a clean, moisturized face. This is the foundation for any great makeup look, and it helps your skin stay healthy too. Trust me, your makeup will look way smoother and last longer if you take a few minutes for skincare. Plus, it feels so refreshing. Apply a light moisturizer to keep your skin soft and hydrated. And if you're heading out, don't skip sunscreen. Protecting your skin from the sun is super important, even on cloudy days. Give your moisturizer and sunscreen a minute to sink in before moving on. This helps your makeup go on more evenly and prevents it from sliding off during the day. Now let's even out that beautiful skin. You don't need to cover up your natural beauty, just enhance it. I like to use a BB cream or a light foundation, just a few dots on your cheeks, forehead and chin, then blend it out with your fingers or a damp beauty sponge. This gives you a natural radiant finish without feeling heavy. Make sure to blend down your neck a little so there's no line between your face and neck. Take your time with this step. It's the base for everything else. Remember, less is more. You don't need a ton of product to look amazing. Got some little blemishes or dark circles? Dab on a bit of concealer under your eyes and on any spots you want to cover. This step helps brighten your face and gives you a fresh, awake look. Blend it in gently. Think tapping, not rubbing. Using your ring finger is best because it's the gentlest on your skin. If you have oily skin or want your makeup to last longer, you can set your concealer with a little bit of translucent powder. Just a light dusting will do. Ready to bring some life to your face? Blush is my favorite way to add a healthy, happy glow. Grab a soft blush and smile. Smiling helps you find the apples of your cheeks, which is the perfect spot for blush. Sweep it lightly over the apples of your cheeks, blending upwards towards your temples for a natural flush. You can build up the color if you want a bit more pop. For a sun-kissed look, add a touch of bronzer along your cheekbones and jawline. This step adds warmth and a little bit of definition to your face. Use a fluffy brush and blend well so there are no harsh lines. Bronzer can also be dusted lightly on your forehead and nose for that just back from vacation vibe. Let's move on to eyes. This is where you can really get creative. For a fresh look, I reach for neutral eyeshadows. Light brown or peach shades work great for everyday wear and suit every skin tone. Sweep some color over your eyelids and blend well. You can use your finger or a brush, whatever feels easiest for you. If you want a little extra drama, take a darker shade and blend it into the outer corners. This adds depth and makes your eyes pop. You can also add a thin line of eyeliner along your upper lash line for more definition. A small wing is always fun if you're feeling adventurous. Mascara is next. Wiggle the wand from the roots to the tips for fluttery lashes. Don't forget your lower lashes for a wide-eyed effect. If you want, fill in your brows with a brow pencil or powder, but keep it natural. Just follow your natural shape and use light strokes. Time for lips. I love a tinted lip balm or a nude lipstick for a soft, everyday look. These are easy to apply and keep your lips feeling comfortable. If you're feeling bold, go for bright pinks or reds. Just own it. A pop of color can totally change your mood and your look. To finish, dab a tiny bit of highlighter on the tops of your cheekbones and the tip of your nose for that glow. You can also add a touch to your brow bone and Cupid's bow for extra radiance. And there you go. Easy, pretty makeup that anyone can do. You don't need a ton of products or fancy tools, just a little practice and your own unique style. Remember, makeup is your playground, so experiment and have fun. Try new colors, mix up your routine, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn. If you like this step-by-step guide, hit that like button and subscribe for more beauty tips with me. I love sharing these moments with you and can't wait to see your looks. Drop a comment if there's a look you want to see next, or if you have any questions about makeup. I'm always here to help and love hearing from you. Thanks for hanging out and stay fabulous. Remember, you're beautiful just as you are, and makeup is just the cherry on top. See you next time.